everyone, now today my 28th video on the YouTube. Okay, I'm belong from Chaudhary family. Today we are discussing about the family members and their thing. Okay, so please listen it very carefully. Now let's start. Okay guys, so I want to tell to you everyone, so many peoples around of us. Okay, we live in the one family. Okay, so we are living with only 2-3 family members in the family. Okay, so we should try to help of every person. Okay, sometime we only listen one person. Okay, sometime only 3 to 4 family members in a one family. Okay, or only one person think is a so different, their dream is a so different. So sometime all family members don't support to that person, don't listen to their person's emotions, feelings, their dreams. Okay, but please guys, don't do this. Okay, because of the reason that time that person is so much need of you. Okay, that time you are not supporting to that person. Okay, but that time she will get success in their life, in their work also. That time you will support to them, you will say to another person, she will my brother, sister, my son, daughter, my nephew, niece. So all things doesn't matter that time. Because of the reason in the past she was faced so much problems, so much critical conditions in their life. Okay, they listened to another person's so much weight thing, they handled the so much weight behavior from the another persons. Okay, and another persons say so badly, they do so much rudely behavior. Okay, with that person. So guys, see, that person is also the part of our family members, neither and the family members. Okay, so we should understand of their dreams. Okay, because we can understand their dreams, their things, and the person can't understand their dreams and emotions, feelings, their things. Okay, and parents should always support to their children, right? Because of the reason nowadays maximum people don't support to their children, because of the reason they think their dreams are so different. So it's not a correct for any kind of parents. Okay, sometime it's a very harmful for the children. Okay, that's why they took a incorrect decision in their life. Okay, they go in the wrong direction sometime. Because of the reason family members are not supporting to them, only for the reason. Okay, so today my video is only depend on the family members and their thing can different, but that person is also the our family member part. Okay, he will always support to you. That time they will get success in their life. That time also will they support to you. They will always take a stand for you. They will always listen your matter, your problems. Okay, so please guys, don't do this type of we are living in a family, okay, and nuclear family. So some people are living in the family, and some persons are dreams may be different, but we should try to help of them. We should try to listen their dreams, their emotions, feelings, okay, and we should try to support to them. So maybe your faith, your behavior, okay, can get that person success in their life also. So please involve in it, and please do believe on that person, and please whatever they want to do in their lives, you should give freedom for that work to that person. Okay, you should try to support to them, that person. Okay, and please say always time, we will always with you. Whatever you want to do in their life, whatever you want to do in your life, you can do it. Don't worry. If you will get success, you will not get success, doesn't matter. Life, we should try to participate in the life. Okay, then we will win or lost, it doesn't matter. Okay, but it's a matter we are participating in the life. Okay guys, so please parents, support to your children, okay, and always believe to them their dreams also, okay, and always listen to their problems, feelings, emotions, and spend time with your children. Okay, so they share their problems, their emotions, their feelings, their dreams, and their any kind of hobbies also with you. They don't have to need to another person for their dreams, their works, okay, because of the reason you are available for them. Okay, so why they should try to make other persons friends, and why they share their problems, their feelings, their dreams to another person? Okay, because they don't support to them, but you are always support to them. Okay, and you should do it. So please guys, we hope you like this video. If you liked, so please do comment, like, subscribe this channel, and share to and think more people. Okay guys, if you're not being able to watch these videos, so you can go on my YouTube studio also. There also all videos are available. Okay, so तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care, love you everyone. We will meet on the next video very soon. Okay, stay home, stay safe.